What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. It has been one of the busiest weeks that I've ever had as a real estate agent. We have so many things going on, which is always awesome. This is like, I don't know, as an entrepreneur and as a real estate agent in general, like the more stress that I personally have is when work is slow. Like doing this amount of work, it's awesome. So we have like 6 or 7 projects going on, a couple clients as well. So yeah. Anyways, this is the final product of our Mesa property. This is the biggest one we've done this year so far, at about a $51,000 renovation, complete remodel from exterior paint, exterior landscaping, brick wall. We did a full interior that you guys will see as well. So you guys have seen this plenty of times. So let's flip the camera around and give you guys a final walkthrough before we list this property tomorrow. I'm really excited to get this thing listed. First thing we did was the exterior out here. We did $1,600 in exterior paint and then another $8,600 in exterior landscaping. We kept the windows original. So that's one thing that we did not upgrade that we could have potentially have upgraded on here was the windows, but everything else is fully renovated, and we did get the property staged. One cool thing with the furniture, we actually got all this for free. The only thing I paid for, look, freaking they put the zippers on the wrong way, whatever though. Anyways, the only thing that we had to pay for was the labor, so I paid a couple of our guys to come out here and just move everything from one property to another. But it saved us about $1,500 in furnishing cost. And I think, it's not, we could have had a little bit better furnishing, but to save $1,500, it's well worth it. And our guys did a good job. I kind of let them be creative with it. So as you go over here, this is the laundry room. You guys can see no washer and dryer right now. This is kind of just extra stuff we left here. We have a pantry slash towel room, I guess, like a linen closet. And this property is 1,300 square feet. One thing you guys will notice is we did remove that wall right here, which opened up this floor plan a lot more. The dining room used to go here. Our guys staged it as if it was over here just because of the amount of furniture they had. That's what they decided to do. It's fine with me though. It'll still show good in photos. That's pretty much why you furnish it, is for the photos and to get people into the door. This property will sell itself once people get here. You have the pool. It was actually pretty in good shape. We just put a lot more gravel in the back. And cleaned up all the trash back here, but the pool itself was in good shape. We have our pool guy coming out here tomorrow to tighten it up before the photos. We added this turf, we added the pavers, we added a whole cleanup out here, which was like $400 cleanup. There's a bunch of trash back here that we removed. All new light fixtures, went with a darker body and a lighter trim. I don't know if I liked it originally, but maybe it would have been better with a little white and black still. Kitchen. One thing, I already talked about this before, I wish I would have extended this out. Maybe another 24 or 36 inch cabinet would have looked good right here. Still waterfalled it, but we got a great deal on the quartz right here. 2 slabs for $1,000 total. So it went in the bathrooms as well. All new cabinets as well. We just kept the exact same layout, which is why this is super small. We can only fit 1 chair here. It would have been cool if we could have, like I said, extended it, maybe had like 2 pennant lights, but we have 1 pennant light here. It's a pretty cool light, I like it. Went with brushed nickel instead of black on this kitchen. I think it looks nice as well. Let me set the time on this actually. I hate when the time doesn't show up. We got all new stainless steel appliances. Another regret that I have, not regret, but wish I would have done earlier, was have a slide-in cooktop. It would have been about $300 more, but it wouldn't have had a back. All the buttons would have been here, and it would have showed off the backsplash a little bit more. But my appliance guy is horrible at responding, and the only reason why I still use him is because he gives me great deals. Other than that, he's not good at communication and doesn't respond to like situations like that where I asked him to swap it out and I still haven't heard from him. So we're just gonna go with it. Yeah, everything else, like I said, everything is brand new here. Flooring, all that kind of stuff. Spot for the fridge, water line as well, all brand new. All the piping for all the water line for that's new. Got the closet over here, little light. You got your first bathroom, new toilet, more expensive toilets. We spent some money on that as well. Still using these lights. These lights, I still love them. I did have a more high-end mirror with like a border on the outline frame, but they broke it on the delivery, so we just had to rush and get just the basic mirror for this bathroom. We ran tile. I always do like this mosaic tile for a little pop out. We always put a light usually hanging down. It just makes it show a lot better and looks way crispier. So we added that can light there. All fixtures are all black in the bathroom. So if you guys notice, the kitchen was brushed nickel. This is black in here to go with the faucets. And let's move into the bedrooms. Nothing really is in these bedrooms. I'm a little upset with that. This is actually a broken door. My guy just left it and didn't tell me, so I'm not gonna pay him until he comes back. And then finally, you have the primary bedroom over here, a little closet, nothing to see in there, just a little coat closet. You have your boy right here. Nice little view of the pool from the primary bedroom as well. And then one of my favorite parts about this is how this mirror, we had 2 of them, but only one of them survived. So of course we threw this one in the primary bedroom as well. All new cabinets, all new toilet. We did the mosaic to match the niche or the cubby to the bottom. Fixtures, everything like that. And then of course you have your light right here as well. I always try to light candles just because when you do a renovation, it sometimes still smells like paint and just like, I don't know, like I don't like the smell of paint. It just looks like not very homey. So I try to get candles in here a couple days prior to kind of get that smell out, get a fresh smell. The list price on this property, $450,000, I think. There's not a lot of inventory in the whole entire East Valley, Mesa, Chandler, Gilbert, under $450,000 that has a pool that is renovated like this. Yes, this is on the smaller end. It's 1,300 square feet, but I still do think there's a big demand for no HOA and having a pool. So we are pushing the comps a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. We still have a great amount of margin. We stayed under budget on this property, quite a bit under budget, which I'm extremely excited about. I'm happy with myself, the way I planned it. I'm happy with the crew. I'm happy with the quality of work on this one. So we'll keep you guys updated on how the showings go. Hopefully we have some good news on that. I'm closing on my personal property in a week and a half too. So a lot of things going on right now, but like I said, like I love being this busy. It's like stressful, but not stressful. Like I love this type of stress rather than not having any work at all. And then it's like a whole nother thing. But yeah, everything's brand new here. So the bins or items or the inspection report should be pretty solid too. New water heater, new water lines everywhere. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll keep you guys updated. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I post on there every single day so you guys can stay way more up to date on that. And I'll see you guys soon.